For all of your real estate needs, contact Gadsden Real Estate. This pleasurable backyard includes patio and in-ground pool with cabana. Hardwood laminate floors in this huge family room. Located at 3816 Meadowood Circle in Guntersville, Alabama. It includes water access with a slip in the community boathouse. Hardwood flooring in the formal living room, dining room and bedrooms. This lovely 3-bedroom 2-bath home has a beautifully updated kitchen. Contact Gadsden Real Estate today to see this property or list your residential or commercial property. Call 256-344-7171 or visit realestategadsdenal.com.